Hi students, this is Sir Mahmood. Today we are studying about the fifth chapter of advanced, that is remainder factor theorem. Uh, in remainder factor theorem, it's the topic 3, that is a factor theorem. In this theorem, uh, the difference between the remainder and factor theorem is the remainder is equals to 0. We studied in the last class about the remainder theorem. In the remainder theorem, we got some values at the end uh, of solving the question. So here we will have 0 value at the end of the solving the question basically. Now I'm taking question from our admaths book. Show that x power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 4 is exactly equals to is exactly divisible by x plus 1 but not by x minus 2. So for this we must have a function that is fx is equals to x power 4 minus 3x square
उसको
plus
मार
2x
के नहीं
plus
आके
4.
उसको
So we need to put the value of x, which is minus 1, in this function. So it will be minus 1 power 4 minus 3 into minus 1 power 2 minus plus minus 2 to minus 1. So it will be 1 minus 3 and minus plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. We must have we must have 0 here, so that I have done some silly mistake here. That is, yeah, I think it's plus 2, not minus 2, it's plus 2. So the minus into plus is minus, so it will be like 1 minus 3x minus 2 plus 4, right? So 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0. So it's the factor. Now we have to check x minus 2 in the function, whether it's a factor or not. If it will be a factor, the answer will be equals to 0, otherwise not equals to 0. So x is equals to 2 here, so 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 power 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 4, so it will be 16 plus 12 plus 4, and that will be like 24 minus 12 is 12, so this is not equal to 0 basically. Therefore the above equation is no the above equation is not exactly solvable by x plus x minus 2, so it's shown, hence proved. Now I'm taking another question from admas to clear this topic. So it is find just searching question. So it's yeah, this one. Find the values of values of a when 3x square minus 4ax minus 4a square has factor x plus 2. So again, same procedure as we done before. So we need to write solution. Now fx is equal to 3x square minus 4ax minus 4a square. So 3 minus 2 square minus 4a to minus 2 minus 4a square. It will be 4 4 3 are 12. So I can write directly 12 here. Minus minus plus 8a minus 4a square. So is equal to 0. Why? Because it's a factor. So 4, I'm just bringing it at one side. So 4a square minus 8a minus 12 is equal to 0. 4 common here will be a square minus 2a minus 3. Next page. So in next page we have to write the expression, the equation, that is a square minus 2a minus let me check it again. It's minus 3 is equal to 0. So now we need to middle term break it, because it's a second degree equation. You can use a quadratic formula as well. Minus 3a plus a minus 3 is equal to 0. So a is common here, so a minus 3 plus 1 is common here, so a minus 3 is equal to 0. A plus 1, a minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore the values of a plus 1 is equal to 0, a is equal to minus 1. Now a minus 3 is equal to 0, so a is equal to 3. So these are the answers, values of a.